Okay, we're going to do a quick little video on how to use the light box. Right here. First thing you do, go down into the back. There's a power bar. Turn that on. You're going to see a lot of flashing. That's supposed to happen. The board also will flash a bunch. So after everything stops flashing, you should be good to go. So we'll start with the FOH lights. What you need to do to use them is you'll go down here under devices. You're going to go to param 1. You click on that. And then these up here will be which fixtures that you're looking to have. So on the back of each light, there is fixture 1, DMX 1. So those correspond to these numbers up here. So if I do 1, you'll see this lights up, and then we have lights from fixture 1. Same thing to fixture 2. You'll see 1 is lit up and 10. If you do that, 10 is the strobe speed. So for some reason you want to use strobe, there you go. So how you would use this is, say if I want the 3 lights, the 3 downstage fronts on, I would go 1, 2, 3, and then I can control them all at the same time. Once you've established the level where you want them, you can unhighlight them, and then you can highlight other ones. So those will now stay on, and this will do nothing. You need to turn these back on to be able to take them out. So next, we're going to look at the top ones, which is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. I'm just going to use them all together. So this, we'll bring it up. Looks a little blue in the camera. It's a little bit more white light. And then if you have those selected, you can look on the screen here and you'll see color. If you hit select, it'll take you through all of the different options. Mainly what you're going to be looking for is CMY, so cyan, magenta, and then yellow. If you hit more, you have RGB, so red, green, blue, and then you can bring those down. And see, we're taking the red out, everything's becoming a little bit more cyan. We take the green out, everything's becoming very blue. So that's how you use those. You can either use red, green, and blue, or cyan, magenta, and yellow. So everything's back to white. Same thing as the other lights. You can, I'm using them all together, but you can do them individually. So I'm going to take them out, take all of those out. If you're going to use the cyc lights in the back, you're going to go over here to under dimmers to INTA, click that, and then your bottom is 1, 2, and 3, because they're red, green, and blue. Red, green, blue makes white, and then you can do your color mixing as you want. The tops are 5, 6, and 7. So there's a little sheet in front of that, you can kind of see it in behind. And if I use the whole cyc, that's everything there. And that's all you should really have to use for any of this.